Pickle Factory Dance Foundation and Artsforward are delighted to present the second edition of Finding Ground, a gathering of new voices in dance.
Our open call for applications received a massive response from across the country, from both classical and contemporary forms.
And our jury had a difficult time choosing Hemjit from Imphal and Seher from Bangalore from this significant variety.
Hemjit and Seher will present their work 17th January. For the 18th, we have partnered with Prakriti Foundation to present the winners of last year's PECDA, Aseng Borang from Roing and Gupta from Raipur.
Finding Ground is fundamentally about bringing together and strengthening our ecosystem. So what can the dance sector learn from other arts and community ecosystems? Ecosystem builders from across India will share their practices in a participatory and co-learning session on 18th Jan afternoon.
So join us at the Goethe-Institut, Bhavan on 17th and 18th of January as we bring in the new year with new voices and new possibilities of imagining and nurturing dance. See you then.